Hey everyone, do you know the meaning of whip up and how to use it?
And what about modern verbs? Can you guess how we'd use one based on this picture?
Curious? Well, stick around because we're about to break it all down in the most fun way possible. Let's dive in.
Vocabulary builder.
Whoa, look at her! Totally whisking away the eggs like a pro. Guess what whisk away means?
Oh, easy. It means to mix fast or take something away quickly. Like when I whisk away my burger before Ahmed steals it.
Hey, that's a lie. I don't steal food, I just help finish it.
Haha. Okay, let's try another one. Look at her expression, so happy. What's a fancy word for that?
Beaming. She's beaming with joy, like me when I see free food.
More like grinning from ear to ear because she loves cooking. Unlike Ahmed, who burns water.
Excuse me, I make legendary instant noodles. Anyway, here's one. What's a phrasal verb for starting to cook something?
Whip up. She's whipping up an amazing meal, just like Ricky whipped up that disaster last time.
Hey, that was a creative experiment.
Yeah, an experiment that made the smoke alarm go off.
Haha. Speaking of which, did you notice the golden yolks? What's a cool phrase using golden?
Golden opportunity, like when you get free food at a wedding.
Or when someone else cooks and you just dig in.
Oh, dig in. Perfect phrase. Means to start eating enthusiastically. Which reminds me, when was the last time you guys cooked?
Does making coffee count?
I made toast, burnt it a bit, but charcoal is good for digestion, right?
Sigh. English learners, tell us, what's your favorite food to whip up? Comment below and make it funny. And hey, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, Ricky might cook for you.
Grammar focus.
All right, grammar lovers, let's start easy. What tense is this? She is cooking delicious eggs.
Ooh, present continuous. Because it's happening right now. Like I am getting hungry watching this.
Ha ha ha, more like I'm craving eggs but too lazy to cook.
Exactly. And what if I say, she mixed eggs yesterday?
Boom. Past simple. Something that happened and is done. Like, I burned my toast this morning.
Love it. Now, let's try comparisons. How can we compare her smile and the sun?
Easy. Her smile is brighter than the sun, just like my future. Okay, maybe not.
More like her smile is the brightest in the room, unlike Ahmed's burnt toast.
Boy, that was less burnt than usual.
Haha. Now, let's do modal verbs. How do you politely ask her to make us breakfast?
Could you please cook for us? See, I have manners.
Or would you mind making an extra omelette for your favorite person? That's me, obviously.
Haha. Now, let's flip this sentence into passive voice. She is cracking eggs.
The eggs are being cracked by her. Boom! Nailed it.
Sounds too serious. The eggs are happily getting cracked for a delicious meal.
Okay, English learners, your turn. Comment with a fun sentence using present continuous. Make it as funny as possible. And hey, if you laughed even once, you must like and share this.
Other common questions.
All right, look at this image. If you were inside it, what would you be doing right now?
Easy. I'd be eating whatever's on that table. No question.
No way. I'd be cooking. You know, making something delicious. Unlike Ricky's burnt disasters.
Excuse me? My food has character. Maybe a little extra crispy. But still.
Haha, what if you could change one thing in the scene? What would it be?
More food. Always more food.
Less talking about food. Maybe a cool spaceship in the background.
All right, let's describe this picture using the words we learned. Who's going first?
That chef is beaming with pride.
And that bread, so golden and crispy. Let's dig in before Ricky burns something.
I'd whip up something tasty.
Or whisk away your mistakes.
Creative. And now for you, English learners, imagine you're in this scene. What happens next? Comment your wildest ideas. And hey, don't forget to like and share if you had fun.
Remember, every small step counts. Keep going.